Hi, today we'll install Rabbitmq on Mac. So I'm having Apple Silicon. But this you can do in your Intel Mac as well. Okay. So what we need to do, I have homebrew installed in my system because it makes my life very easy. So to install Rabbitmq, we just need to do brew install Rabbitmq. So it will take some time and it will install. So the same steps can be performed for Intel Mac as well. So it won't take much time. Okay. So what it does when we are installing through homebrew, so it will set the path and everything for you. You don't have to do anything. So it is much easier. So some people say that we should not use the homebrew because it hides a lot of things from us. It is nothing like that. So the end result is achieved and it is very quick and easy. Okay. So once it is done, I'll show you where you can find all the services and the path where it is installed. Okay, I'll show you the location where you can find RabbitMQ server scripts and CLI tools so that you can get started. And the most important thing, yeah, so it will install its main dependency erlang. So it will install that as well for you, so you don't have to install that explicitly. So you can see here opt homebrew Cellar. So this is actually the path where Apple Silicon stores all the properties and all the CLI tools and everything into the SBIN. So if you are using Apple Silicon, you can find your SBIN directory into opt/homebrew/SBIN. I will show you in some time after one eternity later. Okay, now it is done. So where exactly it got stored, I'll just show you that, and then I'll show you the shortcut as well after that. Okay, I'll just clear it. So we'll go to user local Cellar. 1 minute. I have to do sudo bash. Okay, I'm using Apple Silicon. Okay, so I have to do opt homebrew. Okay, so there is a Cellar. Okay, Cellar. So here the line. Okay, here is the Rabbitmq install. Okay, so here you can find, and if you go inside Rabbitmq, you'll find the version. Okay, so this is the version I have installed. Now I'll show you the better way of doing this. You can just do brew info Rabbitmq. Sorry, I am into actually sudo mode. I'll just do brew info Rabbitmq. So it will show you the path where it is installed and everything. Now, so suppose you have this path for your Apple Silicon. For Intel Mac, so the path will be user/local/cellar/rabbitmq. So this will be your path for Intel Mac, and no changes. Now if you want to start the services, okay, so you can just do brew services start rabbitmq. Okay, so now your rabbitmq is successfully started. Okay, you don't have to go to SBIN and check for the rabbitmq server and everything. You don't have to do all those things. You have a shortcut, you can very well use it. Once you have installed once you have started rabbitmq successfully, you just need to go here and type localhost 15672, so you will be able to get your rabbitmq UI. So by default, guest will be the password. So you can just log in and you should be able to see all the queues and message and every information. If you want to stop it, you can just do this. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.